Looking for a soulful way to design your living room? African design is more than a trend, it's a living tradition rooted in land, story, and spirit. Today, we'll explore regional African styles and how to incorporate their healing energy into your space. This style blends Islamic geometry, Berber motifs, and Mediterranean calm. Interiors feel spiritual and timeless, with arched doorways, zealous mosaics, brass lanterns, and hand-carved wood screens. Moroccan style creates sacred stillness and warmth. Ideal for meditation corners, tea rituals, and inward reflection. West African design pulses with ancestral symbols, storytelling textiles, and rhythmic forms. Think mudcloth, Adinkra cymbals, carved drums, and Ashanti stools. It honors identity, voice, and memory. This style grounds and empowers through cultural pride, rhythm, and ritual. Great for expressive, creative, or family-centered rooms. This style radiates coastal peace and craftsmanship. You'll find whitewashed walls, mango wood, woven palm mats, and Swahili latticework. It feels cool, elegant, and connected to ocean air and breeze. This style promotes clarity, rest, and breathwork. Perfect for sunrooms, coastal homes, or light-filled living rooms. Unlike the popular styles we've just explored, Safari style was largely created for tourists. It often romanticizes wildlife while ignoring culture. That's why we focus on authentic, people-centered African design, because design should uplift voices, not erase them. African design is rooted in the wisdom of land, craft, and culture. Which regional style speaks to your soul? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and stay inspired on your journey to holistic living. And remember, your home is your healing ground.